Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how you can actually go and cancel an order on DHgate. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to DHgate.com, and of course you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you did this, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to the website. And if you do not know how to do that, you can always go and see a video on our channel about that. So guys, now that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us. We have the search bar, as you can see. We have all of the categories that you can see on this website. And in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. We have recently viewed, we have your favorites, and at the end, we have the shopping cart. So now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel an order on DHgate. Well, what you need to do is go to the top right corner again and go and follow these few steps. Basically, when you're in the top right corner, you have all of these options. You'll need to click on your name, hover over your name, and click on My Orders. When you click on My Orders, you'll see all of the orders here. Basically, I don't have any at the moment because my credit card is not working for some odd reason, but if you have an order, it will be here. And here you can just go and click cancel order and cancel your order in just a few steps. So it is pretty easy and it'll take you just a few seconds. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this guys really helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything as I said for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. So until then, bye guys.